That's how it goes. It's called Little Bird. Sing. We take this burden with this broken leg. We can rise it, she said. Come inside for and lie down with me. And if you fall asleep, it wouldn't be the worst thing. But when I wake up, your makeup's on my shoulder. If I lie down, would you stay down and let me hold you? But if I kiss you, will your mouth be kissing too? Darling, how I miss you. Surely stays our lips do. It's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Hiding into sin. And I'm owing all you are, my little bird, my little bird. We take a walk out in the morning dew. We can lay down so I'm next to you. Come inside for a little homemade tea. If you fall asleep, then at least you're next to me. And if I wake up, you say it's late, go back to sleep. And I'm covered by nature, and I'm safe now underneath this oak tree with you beside me. So if I kiss you, will your mouth be this true? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste our lips do. And it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving into sin. And I'll owe it all to you, my little bird, my little bird. Of all these things I'm sure, I'm not quite certain of your love. And you made me scream, but then I made you cry when I left that little bird with its broken leg to die. So if I kiss you, will your mouth drink this true? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste our lips do. And it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving into sin. And I'm owing all